I have an airless sprayer.
Yes. Again, make sure what you're spraying is not flammable. And one of the things about airless,
and you're not letting your wife spray it.
yeah, one of the things about airless is the liability. So if you don't spend the time to mask everything off, you can actually have a lot of overspray, and now you're fixing that. So just be careful. I can't tell you how many places I drive through neighborhoods and see overspray on the roof of shingles of a conventional built home. And a lot of cars get damaged by overspray on the outside, and it floats down the street.
Says he only uses water-based paint.
That's good, but people really get fussy on the outside of your house. So be careful, don't let wind carry it away. And water-based can still mess with carpet sometimes. So you spend the time, what is it, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? Spend the time to do that. To protect everything you don't want painted. But yeah, I like the airless that we got. We kind of found out that the cheap ones are not very good.
You want to screw it all and do it all at once.
You're gonna have to spend a little bit of money, say like $100 at minimum, to get a good airless. And $200 and $300 is still cheap, but you get a lot for what you spend. If you buy a $20 or $30 or $40 airless, it's not going to last very long. It won't do your job properly, and they're hard to clean. And airless has a lot of responsibility when it comes to cleaning. But I'm not anti-airless. I just know that there's a lot of liability, and so I'm always alarmed when we're using them.